Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 60. GABSHIDA. Again, it's GABSHIDA. The word GABSHIDA is the formal way of saying let's go. Again, GABSHIDA means let's go. How do we write this in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, gab, we need to draw first a giyot character, followed by an a character, followed by a biyop character. For the second syllable, shi, we need to draw a siyot character, followed by an e character. And for the last syllable, da, we need to draw a dikit character, followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine these 3 syllables. Now let's try looking at this example. It says, 먹으러 갑시다. Again, it's 먹으러 갑시다. The first part of the example sentence is 먹으러, and this has something to do with the action of eating. The other part is 갑시다. This is our word for the day, and as mentioned, this is the formal way of saying let's go. So, when we combine this, when we say 먹으러 갑시다, it's the same as saying let's go eat. Again, this could be used to say, let's go and eat. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 먹으러 갑시다 is let's go eat. And with that, you've just learned 갑시다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 50 to 59. But don't forget our word for today, word number 60, 갑시다. This is the formal way of saying let's go. The first word for our review is 가자, and this is the informal way to say let's go. Next word is 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. Next word is 가다. This is another verb which means to go. Next word is 뭐예요? And this is used to say or ask, what is it? Next word is 이름. This is the Korean term for name. Next word is 만나다. This is a Korean verb which means to meet. Next word is 아침, and this is the Korean term for morning. Next word is 수고하세요, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. And the last word for our review is 천만에요. This is used to say, you're welcome. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.